Hello, my friends. In this video, I'm gonna talk about affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, dropshipping, drop servicing, business models, and I'm gonna go over all of these business models, and we're gonna discuss about this. We're gonna discuss which business model is the best for you. First of all, let's go over what those mean one by one. So let's get started with affiliate marketing first. Okay, before going forward, I need to summarize how all of this business model work, and then I'm gonna explain what you can do, something like that, my friends. Okay, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business model that allows you to easily make money by selling to a party or any company or any person products, even if you don't own those products. You can get some commission with those. For example, let's say a company offer 20% for its product. If you sell its product, you're gonna get 20% commission, and you start promoting its products, and when you get a sale you're gonna get a 20% commission from that company or person, any, my friend. And this is how affiliate marketing works. And the next, Amazon FBA. With Amazon FBA you can outsource products. If you don't have any product, you can import from any country. For example, you wanna import the products from China to the United States. Just you need to find some suppliers and negotiate with them, and your supplier is gonna send your products to Amazon warehouses, and then Amazon will handle everything. You don't need to do anything. You just need to send your products to Amazon warehouses. This is how Amazon FBA works, my friends. I mean, you only have to find products and send them to Amazon warehouses. Then Amazon will handle the rest of them, shipping, packing, anything. And the next, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to make money by selling the products that you don't have. Although you don't have any products, you can make money with this business model. As you only need some suppliers, that's it. The difference between Amazon FBA and dropshipping is, with Amazon FBA, you need to buy the products you want to sell in advance and then ship them to Amazon warehouse. But with dropshipping, you don't need this. You only list products you want to sell on Amazon, and when you get a sale, you just need to go to the supplier website and order the same product from supplier. Then supplier is gonna ship the same product to your customer. Just think, you are a bridge between supplier and customer. You know, you're in the middle. Right side is your supplier, the left side is your customer. You need to find a product from your supplier and list it on Amazon. And when customer visits your store, make a purchase, you get a sale, right? And then you're gonna go to the supplier website and order the same product from your supplier under your customer name, and then your supplier is gonna ship the product to your customer. That's it. But your customer doesn't know anything who is gonna ship the item. Your customer only cares his product. Customer only cares when his products is gonna be shipped, when his products is gonna arrive. That's it. And when you do dropshipping, you're gonna send a small text to your supplier. Hey, I do dropshipping. Please don't attach any invoice the package. Most of them accept. Most of them know this business model and love. Just imagine someone else wanna sell your products, wanna do dropshipping with your products, and you can accept, right? Because you would be happy if someone else wanna sell your products. You would be very, very happy because of this. So this is how dropship business model works. And the next is gonna be drop servicing. What is drop servicing? How can we make money with this? My friends, as I said before, a minute ago, I was talking about dropshipping, right? Drop servicing is another version of dropshipping. Dropshipping can be done with physical products, but drop servicing can be done with virtual products, with digital products. I mean, with dropshipping, you need to sell physical products. As you can see, one is drop shipping, another one is drop servicing. Drop shipping means ship physical products. Drop servicing means service, sell some service. You can sell digital products, you can sell downloadable products, you can sell any virtual products, my friends. Actually, drop servicing is more suitable for you. If we compare these two business models, we can say that drop servicing it is more practical. It is so easy. Just thinking. When you do dropshipping, you need to buy physical products, and your supplier is gonna ship them to your customer. In case of damage, in case of losing product, in case of any problem, you have to refund. But with drop servicing, this doesn't work like this because when you do drop servicing, you deliver products virtually. Yeah, as a result, we can say that actually you can do all of this business model at the same time. But if you prefer doing only one business model, you can go ahead with the business model you wanna do. It can be affiliate marketing or Amazon FBA, or you can do two business models at the same time, or three business models, or all of these business models. It is up to you, my friends. In this video, I just talked about all of these and how this business model works. I wanted to know about how this business model work and what you can do, something like that. I hope you like this video. I hope you knew what you will do. I know because some people confuse regarding what they will do, especially new people in this field. I hope this video was explanatory. Okay, my friends, this is the end of my video though. See you in the next video. Bye for now.